And now it's raining. It's morning. The wind has not quit all night. Yeah. Right, another miserable morning. Windy. It was misting a while back. Stopped misting at least. We're just cleaning up camp and we're gonna try going up the lake. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We hit the big lake.
Star Wars, Rob, there is no try. There's just do.
Right. Windy, windy, rain, rain. Day 3, here we go. Yeah, no problem. Yeah? Cool. Down the right side of the falls. Just gotta find this portage now. I don't know. Kinda looks beaten down there, but beaten down here too. Yeah? No. Current's going pretty good. Okay, this is like Kawnipi Falls or something like that. I don't know how long the portage is, maybe 200 meters. Just came across Kenny Lake there. So this should be our only portage of the day when we get on Kawnipi Lake, which is huge. So we'll see how the wind is. Rocks are nice and slippery this morning. Whew. Always going up when the water goes down. So that was a little more venturous. You can take out here and save about 100 meters. As long as you are careful. You go over that, you're done. Unless you're a whitewater rafter, of course. And the wind picks up on the other side.
That takeout right there, eh?
Hey?
There's a takeout right there.
Yeah.
It's a big rock. You want to flip it over and help you down?
Yeah, sure. Look kind of shitty.
I don't want you breaking your legs here. You okay?
Yeah, you can give me a hand. Pretty crappy takeout or put in here. Big ledges, slippy sliding. Cannabis Falls.
Tied in?
Yeah, I guess. I'm not tied in. What are you, Ranger Rick now?
Oh, I just wanted to put my pop on the rock. Want to see?
Yeah.
Picture hit the brakes.
All right, now we're into some bay, Anik Bay or Atkins Bay that goes into Kawnipi. So, no more portaging today, but we'll see how the wind is. This could be interesting. You got the current going one way, the wind going the other way. Makes for some surf.
Looks like we're going pretty good right now. It's the current day.
Yeah.
Oh, we're stopped.
Holy frick! Not even moving. Well, this doesn't look fun.
There's some good ways out here. Now what? Battle the shoreline on the sea, bro. Wait a minute.
Going in hot. Holy crap! The white caps around the corner. Not looking good.
Then it was when it's getting bigger too, so we'll be past it.
Yeah. Almost, yeah. I don't know. This is brutal. Brutal. The wind is crazy. Oh boy. Water bugs. Looking nasty. I don't know. Just trying to take a peek here. Yeah, it's fucking straight on. Holy Christ. I don't fucking think so. Rick. Can't even paddle into that. Point to point. Well, the best we can do. Seems like we're going against the traffic. This freaking wind is brutal. And now it's raining. It's like the Trans-Canada Highway here. So many people. It's unbelievable. And they're all going with the wind. Not like us idiots. Little campsite here. We're gonna take a lunch break and assess the situation. It's getting worse as we go up here. Lead the way.
We're going that way. The rain hurts my eyes.
Yep. This trip hurts my brain. Worst trip ever. Never again. Wow. No fun whatsoever. I know some people will say, oh, why don't you have weight in the front? Well, Dennis has his pack in the front and he's having just as much trouble, if not more. I just lean forward and I can get the bow to cut a bit. But this is just stupid. 3 days of this crap. I haven't seen those guys come through yet. Oh, this is gonna be fun again.
This gonna roll this island?
Yeah, it looks good.
Think we can get turned up good now? We'll end up down over there.
Side to this lake today. Left shore, right shore, same thing. Straight down the middle. At another point, the rain continues to blow by and the wind continues. Yeah, we're getting near the quitting point for today. I had just about enough. Yeah, we got here another 2 kilometers and calling it quits. Hey, we crossed over our side of the lake for a change of scenery. I don't know if this mic will be all muffled from the windsock is soaking wet. Doesn't seem to matter which side of the lake we're on. It's the same thing. We're almost to a campsite. Then we're gonna call her quits. Waves aren't big, but the wind is just relentless. Won't give up. Pushing into the wind all day long, and yesterday, and the day before. dead fish in that thing or what? Yeah.
Did you take off one there?
Yeah. Sort of a campsite here. Not much in the way of flat spots. Pile of firewood though. Yeah, maybe there's a couple spots in the back. Bunch of vultures and birds took off from here. This looks like somebody made a fish corral here. Oh yeah. Fish guts, fish spine.
That's what they're doing here, eh?
Yeah. Someone probably left the fish in there and they died.
Think so?
Yeah. That doesn't look like it's been filleted.
Oh, the fish is fishing. That's a big pikehead, eh? Nice.
That's a huge pikehead.
That's a big pike, eh?
Wow.
Ate that, eh?
Yeah. That's massive.
Yeah, but that's fucking bear bait. Maybe your camp. These guys are stupid, eh?
Yep. I don't know why it's in the camp, but oh, look at garbage, baling can. There's a whistle for you.
Oh yeah.
As long as there's a flat spot for tents.
There's lots of flat spots.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's a. I can put a tarp. Well, which way the wind blowing here?
Blowing every which way. The wind is just crazy, howling. I guess this is going to be our campsite. Set up a tarp over there between two trees or something. This is insane. High winds, rain. Got one tarp set up. Dennis is setting up another tarp over there. Try and have a warm dinner anyways. Somehow get a tent set up without it blowing away. Never again. The wind is just nuts. Unbelievable. Good thing we got off the lake when we did. We got a little bit of shelter now from the rain. Wow. And if you're wondering why I still got my life jacket on, it's to keep me warm till I can get the clothes out of the pack there. But yeah. Raining like crazy and windy like crazy. So we started at 8:30 this morning and we quit at 4 p.m. We went 15 and a half, well, just under 15 and a half kilometers, so we had to push today just to get that. Wow, what a chore. Setting up the tent, get everything in it, trying to get wet. A dinner. I'm exhausted. Everything hurts. The wind is just howling like crazy. It's insane. But I'm in my sleeping bag now and I'm warm, so. Wow, what a day. Unbelievable. 3 days in a row of this crap. Well, I doubt tomorrow's going to be any better. I can only hope. Alright, end of day 3. Wow, where's the float plane?